Welcome to Doodle Fun Art. Today, we're celebrating Diwali with 10 cute and easy Diwali doodles. Grab your pens and sketchbook. Let's fill this page with light, joy, and creativity. Let's start with a cute smiling Diya, symbol of light and happiness. Draw a small bowl shape, add a cute face, and a bright flame on top. Make it glow with yellow and orange shades. Now, let's draw a Diwali lantern, simple rectangle body. You can draw a plate and add a few more laddus around it for fun. Time for some patterns. Draw a circle. Use bright colors, pink, blue, yellow to make it festive. Now, let's make a cute gift box with a ribbon bow on top. Add a happy face, because gifting brings smiles.